श्रीमद्भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशवैतिनाथचरित्राय स्वास्थानं च कालिने जीव दुःखे सदाकाय नाम प्रेम वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। First of all, my millions of millions Dandavat Pranam in the lotus feet of my spiritual guru, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnu Shishma Bhakti Prabhupada Keshav Vishnu. And descend in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnu Shishma Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. Especially, I am indebted to my Shiksha Guru, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, who dragged me everywhere in eastern and western countries, especially in America. He wanted from his core of heart that I must join with him at the time of preaching. The mission of his Holy Master Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur in the line of Srila Rupa Goswami, inspired by Sri Sachinandan Guru. At that time, I could not come. Others taught me engaged in the service of preaching, writing so many things, in the guidance of my Guru. But very soon I came. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj wanted to come because his Guru ordered that you should go to Western country and preach in English language everywhere. And he came very soon after 40 years, 43 years. Very soon, but 43 years. And myself, he wanted, I came very soon, after 20 years. Especially, how has he sprinkled his mercy to me. When I remember all these things, I go overwhelmed. I cannot check myself. He said, his senior devotees, well trained, and he said to me, go and at once help him in his preaching. I remember when my penniless in Mathura, insignificant, no one knew me. And he said one of his senior disciple, Pran Kishore, at that time his name was Prema. And he did miracle. I never even in dream I believe that how it will. I think with me so much money for selling his houses, car, ornament of his wife and everything. But I could not know in dream also. I thought that his friends like Uddhav, Markandeya, Alvarnath, so are helping and he is helping. But when he became state beggar, then I knew, now he is penniless beggar. And he still did so. I know. He said so. From Beja, what Prabhu? Gopavindra Pal, Devnath Nand Gopal. He said, Ramesh. God, sorry, he helped me so much. He helped, so many. They helped. Prabhu. Jalakar. Krishna Bhajan. Kripanam Prabhu. And especially Pushananda. Shyam Rami. Shyam. Pundarik also. Divanand is home. Directly he was taken out. So I see the wife of Buladi. Shyam Rami, where Shyam Rami? So many so senior most commander that. Chariot wala. Chariot wala, have to be. Guru Prabhu. So that all what I am how preaching here and there, I know that I am very insignificant, like a straw. But he sent so many qualified devotees, as if he had prepared everything for me. Because he told me in the last day, I remember, please give samadhi with your own hands. Why he told I don't? So many qualified devotees and his god brothers, the disciple of Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj, present there. So many. Pujyapat Maharaj, Krishnadas Babaji, you know, Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj. And so many like that. But he told perhaps his servant, his first disciple, to Narayan Maharaj. And he gave this thing. And I did. He also told, I don't know why, that you should help my devotees. I brought them from various countries. I should not tell the word, but he told. I have brought so many monkeys. Really, they are not monkeys, but he told to me. Because they are like monkeys also, jumping from here, there. So, it was very kind to me. I never did anything for preaching. I think that you are all preaching. First he sent to me also Swami Tamal Krishna. Yeah? Giriraj, Keshav Bharati, to teach me, especially my Buddha friend, Ishtar, to teach me how to preach. I was only a good village man. But he made me world preacher. So all mercy of Swami. I'm nothing, I'm doing nothing. I'm not taking the name of lady devotees, but this is not lady devotee. Help me. Now my preacher also from Western country, like Ashram Maharaj. Now new coming, very qualified person. Oh, you will have to, I will have to punish you like Nityananda Prabhu. As Nityananda Prabhu punished I will punish you. My publications are waiting for you. My Braj Mandal Parikrama, very good. All are appreciating. It's wanted you. Jaiva Dharma also speaking my Srimad Bhagavatam in so many different pocket edition and very well decorated. I want, and you know all the tricks when you do. So, please help me. You have promised. This is Dadi Chura. Dadi Chura, you know?
You got a cheap price.
That I have not asked me.
They said it's too cold, so just for a feast.
Yes.
But I paid for the, and
This is the why not 100? Like at the time of your Gurudev, you let me, help me also. In the service of your Gurudev, this is the aim and object of your Gurudev. Really it is Apurusha Rupa Goswami, Sri Chaitanya, Manobhishtam, Sthapitam Jaina Bhuta, Swayam Rupa Kadam, Vayam Dadati Sukadam. Rupa Goswami named the mood of Sri Chaitanya. Really he declared first that Sachinandan is himself Krishna. Very tricky, this Krishna. Took the intrinsic mood of his beloved, most beloved, Radhika, and the golden collar, both stayed away, and became Sachinandan Gaudhari. Why Sachinandan Gaudhari? Anarpiticharim Chira Karunaya Patirna Kalu Samarpai Tumunnato Jalarasam Swabhakti Swim Hari Kapur Sundar Dut Kadamba Sandhita Padare Kandare Ishwara. Krishna is so merciful, endless mercy. Ocean of rasa, Akhil Rasam is single, and other hand, very mercy. Cause raise mercy. And that is why he took the intrinsic mode of his most beloved Srimati Radhika and golden beauty. Why? To give, to donate Unnata Ujjvala Rasam Swabhakti. Anyone can give. Krishna gave, but he enjoyed and he went and he forget himself. So that give this high class of presentation to world. He forget always engaged, what? Observed in testing that thing. And Krishna then, he came in the form of Sacinandana Gauri. Why it has been told that Maya Sachi is very, very merciful. So his son must be merciful. Reminding Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Srila Rupa Goswami is telling, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is taking his bhasan and writing in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Same point. What is that? He donated toward even Krishna Ramachandra, even any incarnations, even any associate of Krishna or not. They could not give. What? All these. Swabhakti Shriyam Unnata Ujjvala Rasa. And that's Sri Pati to Sadharadhika. And that mood is called what? Manjari. Especially to be tasted. And to taste Radhaya Pranaya Mahima Kirvishovasi. Taste. What is the pranaya? High class of love and affection of Radhika from Sri. Krishna is more beautiful. So what? He can attract whole universe. But there is one more. Who can attract this tricky person, ocean of others? And she is the Radhika. So her love and affection to Radhika, how? Of what kind? She states all the madhuri of Krishna, that is his beauty. His most beautiful cheeks, crooked eyes, playing on flute, all are madhuri. Rupa madhuri, guna madhuri, veda madhuri, parikar madhuri, associates. And what kind of happiness she attains by this? Krishna, who has love, so much an affection for Radhika. But Radhika's affection to Krishna is more superior. Krishna can taste the mood of the services that Mata Soda and Nand Baba renders to him. But what pleasure coming in the heart of Nand Baba Jasoda Maya. Oh, Krishna cannot know. Understand what I am going to tell? And especially, Krishna loves Srimati Radhika. But Radhika loves her so much that she becomes mad by seeing even Krishna. There is something in Krishna. Radhika is superior in all things, in all kinds of madhuri, rupa madhuri, guna madhuri, lila madhuri, associates madhuri. Radhika is more superior, it is right, all right. But there is something in me which makes Radhika mad, totally mad. What is that? What is that? Then he thought that I cannot realize without taking help of Srimati Radhika. If Radhika will gladly leave his mood, what mood that? Sneh, man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav, more than that, rud, anirud, mohan, more than, and after that, up to Mahabhava, Krishna has everything. But after that Madan was not in Krishna. Otherwise they will also be mad. So he wanted to mad, and that is why he, anyhow, by treaty, he took the mood of, intensive mood of Madhav. And he told to Radhika, please look after me, how I am tested. Whether anything wrong in me or right. And for this she became Radha, she became Radha, and she was looking after. Sometimes correcting Krishna, sometimes chastising Krishna. And anyhow he gave the same thing. Oh, the service of Radhika is superior than service of Krishna. You know, by Radhika mood, we can serve Krishna and Radhika. But by the mood of Krishna we cannot. If you are taking the mood of Krishna, what? Oh, you will taste. Oh, bring water, bring the find me. You cannot serve. Understand? But if you take the mood of Radhika, from top to bottom, what in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and Ujjwal Nilmani has written, from Saddha, Saddha Nishtha Ruchi, Asakti, Rati, Prem, and all these things. Only the mood of Srimati Radhika. What is Saddha? What is Saddha? Well, this is the last fraction of the mood of Srimati Radhika. By serving Krishna, by rendering service to Krishna, our life will be successful. And this is the symptom of Saddhavati, like Raghunath Das Goswami, like Haridas. Even he was beaten in 22 markets of Navadvip, and his life was done. Even they could not tell that, oh, Allah Khuda, Akbar. Never. He told Krishna, Krishna. Krishna is saying, all the names of the God are only fraction of the Krishna. Topmost name of Supreme Lord is Krishna, Ram, Hari, Radhika. So I can chant only Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Muslim, that king don't. Do you know that I am king? I can take your head at once by sword. I can do anything. But Haridas Thakur, I know. You are king, but my king is king of kings. He never. So you should be like that. I don't know why the devotees become weak. Why? Why? We should not be weak. First Saranagati and then Bhakti. So at the time of Diksha you have taken shelter of your Gurudeva and Krishna. Then your object of shelter is so high that he can destroy whole universe in a second, part of second. And again he can. He is so powerful, merciful. Then why you become weak? I don't know. Especially by hearing Harikatha, is so powerful. Satam prasannam vidya samvidau bhavanti karma rasayana tadyo sanata asu apavat bhatmani Shraddha, Rati, Bhakti, Anukarnisha. Shraddha. Then Bhakti, Sadhan Bhakti. And then Prem Bhakti will come. And now we are going reducing Sadhan Bhakti, then Shraddha, even Komal Shraddha, and then Shraddha also. Why it becomes? It means you are not following right process. that your Gurudev gave. Some were very active before. And after so many years sadhana, now they are going to be neutral. I don't know why. Understand? Neutral. Why neutral? So neutral is very bad. Like Maya. You should not be. Moksa, Utsaha, Nishya, Dharya, Tattva, Sangha Tyaga, Sattva, Sharata Bhakti. Why not Utsaha? Progressing, like a river. Its current always what? Jamuna, Ganga, always flow. If you try to dam, and you should make dam on that, all it will flow over. So Vatsa should be like this. Nishya, Dharya. So I request you all to help me with these encouragements. And please, again, with such good stuff, everywhere in this. Don't believe. You should think that your Gurudev is still present. More than before. More than before. And he is always in fire. So he sent his representative, me. All you should go and tell this. Mission to all, and they should all be like this. Like somewhere, serving him as Brahmachari. No? After some time, they were serving. But the serving and hearing Hari Katha, remembering and chanting, some development will be there. But from Brahmachari they became what? Householder, and from householder he went chanting, remembering. Now I want from, if they have become Grihastha, there should be Panprasti, and then renounce all. Don't go. You should back to God, back to home, His word. So you should always remain very mindful. Remember all these things. I know in this world, always there is chance of being so much money. ऐसा चांस है कि हमारा मन खराब हो जाएगा, and we can give up this transcendental thing. So for material things, you should not disturb your transcendental bhakti. What I told?
There will be so many problems setting us in this material world, but we should not let them disturb our bhakti. We shouldn't abandon our bhakti for anything.
In material, understand? But in other words,
in the material world, there's so many problems, so many obstacles, so many disturbances. But
with devotees, with guru, with wife, with husband, with so many persons, neighbors, or brothers, so many frictions.
But this is the nature of the material world. Always there will be so many problems. But we should have that firm determination, as Gurudev has said, Utsahan Nishchayataya, that I will not give up my resolute determination to serve Guru and Varanga. That better I die than give up this determination. And with very strong endeavor and enthusiasm, then we should go on in our path of life.
It may be a chance that you can quarrel with him. You can have some difference of opinion of Gurudev, according to your ignorance. It may some difference of opinion and Gurudev may rebuke me. Then I became very angry. Then a pure devotee is what he will do? He will not take anything whole day night. Not even water, but chanting Hare Krishna will be. This symptom will be there. And then he will wait that my Gurudev will come himself and will pacify me. Gurudev heard not my disciple. Anyhow, he is angry. And he chanted only I am weeping. And hearing me, at once he will come and weep, oh my dear disciple, why you are she? I made wrong. And then heart it went. So why? You will give up chanting, remembering, speaking but devotees and serving. He will serve more. You remember Jagadananda? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chastised him. And oh, you have brought oil for messaging me. Bring so many ladies to message me. And thus, all we know that high class of renounced order sannyasi, Sachidananda. Oh, please give this oil to Jagannath temple for light. Land. And he took that vessel and I am not brought for you. Who told? And like Saptabhama, he became so angry. At once went to his bhajan kuti and he locked the door from outside. Weeping. What weeping? Remembering. Weeping. 1 day, 2 days. And Mahaprabhu heard. At once he came. He could not delay for a moment and told, Jagadananda, I am very much hungry for 2 days. I am not taking anything, even water. Now I am so hungry, I cannot remain. So I am going to city take bath. Please be ready. I am coming. And what he did? At once he took bath. And we, how mercifully waiting. Oh. And he cooked also various kinds of preparations. And Mahaprabhu came with his servant Govinda. We sat down. And everything was ready, asan was ready. Oh, Kala pata, Kela pata, all very big. Kala pata, you know, the lips of banana, very big. All full. It was kept there. So many kinds of preparations were kept. So many kinds of. Very delicious, very. But he was not telling anything, doing pranam from far away. In Quikum room he was. Mahaprabhu told that I cannot take. When Jagadananda will take, then I will take. Oh, Jagadananda became worried. What should I do? Then he told to Govind, tell him that, request him, that he should take, then I will take them. But Mahaprabhu told, I don't believe. Oh, we will take both at a time. But again I don't take it. Then told Mahaprabhu, I am taking. But you should look after that he is taking or not. If not taking, then I will give up for other days. And thus, after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they both took the remnant of Mahaprabhu. So bhajan will grow up. And why to fire? Why to fire? In love and affection, because love and affection is somewhat crooked. Krishna is crooked, his mother is crooked, his father is crooked, his Vrindavan Dham is crooked. His gopis are more crooked. Jamuna is crooked. Mathura is crooked. Krishna, everything is crooked. So Priti is also crooked. And he devoted is more crooked. But don't think sadhak. Sadhak should not be crooked. He should serve Gurudev with honor and abundance. Marjada. They should not give up Marjada. Marjada can be given only after Rati. After Rati. Not we should try to. Marjada is all. So many things are said. I will have to take more rest. Old age. Krishna is giving. Oh, he is very fortunate. He is so merciful. He gave me old age. Now more older and older I will realize what is old age. And then I will try to do more and more bhajan. So be pleased you all and help me in all ways. Like some are artists, some are computer master, some are sewers, many are carpenters, so many are so things. As all help. Oh, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj may Shiksha. In all ways. But also one thing you should remember. And that is the thing that when we are Kanishta Adhikari, you know perhaps all because you are all senior Vaishnava. When we are in Kanishta Adhikari, very low, then Guru may order anything according to your ability and qualification. No? Oh, you should try to distribute books. You should cook. You should make art. You should make these according to our qualification. But when by hearing and chanting and remembering, he will be more qualified. Then his order may be changed. Now you should do. Like when we are in primary schools, teacher may tell that you should read A, B, C, D. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. Dog. But now when we are past primary school, so also remember all these things. Anyone may tell that Prabhupada has told me only to distribute books, and by these, you attend Gopi prayer. More than that. To what? Giving utsaha. He may do. But orders may change. Like geometry, like all other things. First ABC, a triangle. And after that, let ABC, any sum. And he's also science and everything. So we must try to know the desire of your Gurudev. Real Gurudev, bona fide. And the desire of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The desire of Radha and Krishna. And try to go Premanande. Hari Hare Namah Krishna Yadavaya Namah.
Hare Hare Namah Krishna Yadavaya Namah.
Krishna
Govinda Dharma Dharma
Yam prajantam